Hi friends, let me show you this pets grooming kit and vacuum that I received for reviewing purposes. Okay, you get the user manual, okay, with all the instructions. You get all the grooming accessories and the vacuum accessories, okay? This is the razor, as you can see, and this razor has this vacuum tube here, so all the hair will be directly sucked to the vacuum. That's great. This one is to brush your pet and get the hair in the vacuum. Well, this one can be used to clean your furniture or the floor, whatever you want. Okay. This one is also in for brushing the pet's hair. This is the vacuum tube. Okay, this is another brush. Okay, you got a lot of accessories. Okay. This will help you to cut the hair to the length you want in your pet. Okay, if you want a short cut or a large cut. Okay. You get also a carrying case for all the carrying bag for all the accessories. Okay. Let's put them here. Okay, so this is the vacuum. You get rid of dirt and hair, getting this to the trash. Okay. You turn it on here. And okay, you get like 3 different speeds. You clean it here. So we are going to use it with my pug. This pug has a lot of hair and the hair is all over my house. So we are going to start with the massage brush, okay? To try to get all the hair from the pug. So we're going to turn it on. Okay. And we are going to brush. Okay. This is the massage, okay? As always, we're getting a lot of hair from her. We are going to try it with another one. The needle comes. Okay, perfect. You get all the hair there, and all the hair went in the vacuum. I hope you saw that. And we're going to use this accessory to get rid of all the hair we got in the table. Okay? Now, let me show you the hair we got. I hope you see it. Okay? So, we're going to take it to the trash. You see the amount of hair we got? It's so easy to clean it. Okay, so you have all the hair here. You just have to open this and get all the hair out. You see? And you're ready. You got all these from your house to the trash. Thank you.